Did you know that Pringles uses a staggering amount of potatoes every year? It's almost unimaginable how many potatoes are required to keep up with the global demand for these beloved snacks. From the moment the potatoes are harvested, they embark on an incredible journey that transforms them into the Pringles we all know and love. We're talking millions upon millions of pounds, all destined to become those perfectly uniform crispy chips. These potatoes are carefully selected for their quality and consistency, ensuring that every chip meets the high standards set by Pringles. The process begins with the potatoes being transported to the factory, where they are thoroughly cleaned and prepared for the next stages of production. But have you ever stopped to wonder how they transform humble spuds into those iconic stackable snacks? The transformation process is nothing short of fascinating. First, the potatoes are peeled and sliced into thin, uniform pieces. These slices are then cooked to perfection, achieving that signature Pringles crunch. It's a meticulous process that requires precision and expertise. The journey from potato field to Pringles can is a fascinating blend of ingenuity, technology, and a dash of culinary magic. Advanced machinery and cutting-edge technology play a crucial role in ensuring that each chip is made to perfection. Technicians and food scientists work tirelessly to monitor every step of the production process, making sure that the final product is nothing short of exceptional. Get ready to delve into the surprising world of Pringles manufacturing. We'll take you behind the scenes to explore the state-of-the-art facilities where these chips are made. From the initial stages of potato selection to the final packaging, every detail is meticulously planned and executed to create the perfect snack. We'll debunk myths, unravel mysteries, and explore the intricate processes behind everyone's favorite stackable snack. Ever wondered why Pringles are so uniformly shaped, or how they manage to stay so crispy? We'll answer these questions and more as we dive deep into the world of Pringles production. Quality control is a top priority, with rigorous checks in place to ensure that every chip meets the highest standards. Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the secrets behind that satisfying crunch. From the farm to your fingertips, the journey of a Pringles chip is a testament to innovation and dedication. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn everything you've ever wanted to know about how your favorite snack is made. It's a story of passion, precision, and of course, potatoes. Pringles occupy a unique space in the snack aisle. They're not quite potato chips in the traditional sense, but they're not exactly crackers either. This distinctive identity is a testament to the innovative manufacturing process that sets Pringles apart. From the carefully selected ingredients to the precise shaping and flavoring techniques, creating a Pringles chip is a carefully orchestrated process. It's a delicate dance between science and snacking, resulting in a product that's instantly recognizable and undeniably addictive. One of the biggest misconceptions about Pringles is their classification as a traditional potato chip. While potatoes are indeed the star ingredient, the similarities end there. Traditional potato chips are typically made from sliced whole potatoes, deep-fried to crispy perfection. Pringles, on the other hand, utilize a dehydrated potato dough, a blend of potato flakes, water, and other starches. This unique composition allows for the signature uniform shape and consistent texture that have become synonymous with the Pringles brand. The journey from potato to Pringles is a multi-step process that begins with sourcing the highest quality potatoes. These potatoes are carefully selected from farms that meet stringent quality standards. Farmers inspect each batch to ensure they are free from blemishes and imperfections, guaranteeing that only the best potatoes make it to the factory. Once the potatoes arrive at the factory, they undergo a meticulous peeling process. The peeled potatoes are then cooked to perfection, ensuring they retain their natural flavor and nutrients. After cooking, they are mashed into a smooth consistency, which is then dried into fine potato flakes. These flakes are the foundation of what will eventually become Pringles. The potato flakes are then combined with water, cornstarch, and a blend of other ingredients. This mixture is crucial as it determines the texture and flavor of the final product. The ingredients are mixed thoroughly to form a dough that is both pliable and consistent. This dough is the heart of the Pringles chip, and its quality is paramount to the final product. The dough then embarks on a fascinating journey through a series of rollers and cutters. These machines are designed with precision to ensure that the dough is rolled out to the perfect thickness. As the dough passes through the cutters, it gradually takes on the iconic Pringles shape. This process is a marvel of engineering, as each cutter is calibrated to produce chips that are uniform in size and shape. Once shaped, the chips are carefully placed on a conveyor belt, where they undergo a rigorous quality control process. Each chip is inspected to ensure it meets the high standards set by the company. This attention to detail ensures that every Pringles chip is a perfect replica of the last, providing consumers with a consistent and enjoyable snacking experience. The journey from potato to Pringles is a testament to the dedication and precision that goes into creating this beloved snack. Section 5. The Pringles Molding Mystery. This is where things get really interesting. The Pringles dough, now a thin sheet, is pressed into specially designed molds that give the chips their signature saddle shape. This unique shape isn't just for aesthetics, it serves a practical purpose too. The hyperbolic paraboloid design, as it's technically known, provides the chips with remarkable strength and allows them to be stacked neatly in the can, a feat that would be impossible with traditional potato chips. Section 6. Flavor Rain, a symphony of seasoning. Once molded, the Pringles chips take a quick dip in a hot oil bath, where they puff up and develop their signature crunch. This crucial step in the process not only gives the chips their unique texture, but also locks in the freshness that Pringles are known for. The hot oil bath is meticulously maintained at the perfect temperature to ensure that each chip is cooked to perfection, achieving that golden brown hue that is so characteristic of Pringles. But the journey doesn't end there. After their hot oil bath, the chips are carefully lifted onto a conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of their transformation. This conveyor belt is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to handle the delicate chips with the utmost care, ensuring that none are broken or damaged as they move along the production line. As the chips travel along the conveyor belt, they pass through a flavor rain, a carefully calibrated shower of seasonings that evenly coats each chip. This is where the magic happens. The seasoning shower is a symphony of flavors, with each chip receiving just the right amount of seasoning to ensure a perfect balance of taste. The seasonings are a closely guarded secret, a blend of spices and flavors that give Pringles their distinctive taste. From classic sour cream and onion to fiery BBQ, the flavor possibilities are endless. Each variety of Pringles is crafted with a unique blend of seasonings, designed to tantalize the taste buds and provide a satisfying snack experience. Whether you prefer the tangy zest of sour cream and onion or the smoky heat of BBQ, there's a Pringles flavor for everyone. The flavor possibilities are endless. With a wide range of flavors to choose from, Pringles offers something for every palate. From the bold and spicy to the mild and savory, each flavor is a testament to the creativity and innovation that goes into every can of Pringles. This precise seasoning application ensures that every bite delivers a burst of consistent, satisfying flavor. The attention to detail in the seasoning process is what sets Pringles apart from other chips. Each chip is a masterpiece, a perfect blend of crunch and flavor that makes Pringles a favorite snack around the world. So, the next time you pop open a can of Pringles, take a moment to appreciate the journey each chip has taken to reach you, from the hot oil bath to the flavor rain, and savor the symphony of seasoning in every bite. Section 7. Inspection, stacking, and that iconic can. Before they're deemed worthy of their iconic packaging, each Pringles chip undergoes rigorous quality checks. Trained inspectors meticulously examine the chips, discarding any that don't meet the brand's high standards for shape, color, and overall appearance. Once approved, the chips are swiftly stacked one by one into their signature cans. The cans themselves are lined with a special foil that helps preserve freshness and protect the chips from breakage. Section 8. Millions a minute. The scale of Pringles production. The scale of Pringles production is nothing short of astounding. Factories around the world churn out millions of chips every minute, a testament to the snack's enduring popularity. The entire process, from potato to packaged product, is a marvel of modern food manufacturing. It's a symphony of machinery, technology, and human ingenuity, all working in perfect harmony to deliver a consistent, high-quality product that has captured the taste buds of generations. Section 9. Pringles unveiled, more than just a chip. So the next time you pop open a can of Pringles, take a moment to appreciate the journey those chips have taken. From humble potatoes to precisely engineered snacks, Pringles are a testament to innovation and the pursuit of snack perfection. They're a reminder that even the simplest snacks can be the result of complex processes, a blend of science, technology, and a dash of culinary artistry. Section 10. Your turn to talk chips. Now that you've peeked behind the curtain of Pringles production, we want to hear from you. What's your all-time favorite Pringles flavor? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get a conversation going about everyone's favorite stackable snack. Section 11. Keep on snacking. Hungry for more behind-the-scenes peeks into the world of food production? Let us know what other snacks you'd like us to explore. Stay tuned for more tasty insights and surprising facts about the foods you love.